Hi, welcome. I'm Marta Vale with Realty One Group MVP, and I'm today at my listing at this beautiful condo that comes with a golf membership at the National Golf and Country Club. You see here the view behind me, the golf course. So let me show you around. So these are condos that come with a one-car detached garage. It's right here. It's in the cul-de-sac. And then at the National Golf and Country Club, the mailboxes are right here. And we're going now to the condo. It's on the first floor. It's a 2-bedroom plus then condo, 1,355 square feet. So you access the garage also directly here, and the unit is right here. It's 2 bedrooms plus then, like I said, it's a Bromelia condo. You have a screened in front porch where you can sit here nicely. You can add a fan. It's tiled throughout. Quartz countertop, stainless steel appliances. You have a tray ceiling over here. You can access the front porch also through the slider. As you come in, you have the second bedroom right here and the second bathroom. A nice size. The closet. You can add a fan or light fixture here. This is the best priced condo right now of this size with a golf membership. You don't have any condos this is a veranda condo. You don't have any veranda condos anymore from the builder that come with a golf membership. So this was the first bedroom. Whoops, sorry, the door just closed. First bedroom and the first bathroom. This is the den. You can add also here something. Here you have also a nice coffee bar. This is here your view of the golf course. There are currently people playing. So you can watch from here, enjoy a relaxed view, really pretty. You have the screened in back porch over here, and you can also exit over here this way. This is common area over here. The National Golf and Country Club, this is the living area and also the dining area kind of right here. You can put a chandelier over here. This is the master bedroom with a beautiful view of the back, the golf course. The National Golf and Country Club has really beautiful amenities. I have a video of that I will add a link to. Check it out. Great pickleball courts, tennis courts, bocce ball, resort-style pool, poolside barn grill. This is here one of the closets, walk-in closets. Here's the second one, a little bit bigger. And then this is the master bedroom. There's the bathroom. There's a pocket door, shower. Here, dual sink. Water closet. Please give me a call about questions about buying or selling in Ave Maria or renting, or about questions about the community. My phone number is 239-232-5563. Thank you and God bless you.